Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Jeffrey. I'm the sales director here at A&M Manufacturing, and today I'm going to take you around one of our latest build. This is our Bulldog 50. This is one of our largest boat that we can build on the XL hulls. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you've probably seen those hulls before. They're really our standard go-to hulls for any inspected vessels that we built here at A&M. However, at the end of the month, we'll be introducing our brand new hulls that are called the jumbo hulls, and those will be able to provide you with 4 feet of freeboard. So if you're in more exposed route, you'll be able to use them. The XL right here, those are for more partially protected routes. They give you about just under 3 feet of freeboard. Right here on the bow of the boat, you'll have the anchor box and a nice stainless steel cleat to tie up your anchor. Now we're gonna take a long walk down this 50-foot long deck, 55-foot length overall, so she's a very long, big girl. Large stainless steel cleat alongside the boat so you can tie up nicely. At the back, you'll find our standard 250 Suzuki Yamahas mounted also on standard jack plates. Like this, you'll be able to get into very shallow waters, or when it's needed, bring your engines all the way down and get a really good grab and in the water to turn this boat around and pivot it. Now this is typical pontoon style design. Those are fiberglass hulls, but there's 2 pontoons on either side. The other side is pretty much the same. We're gonna quickly get on board and show you how she looks from the inside. Welcome on board BlueBird. She has a very simple layout, yet very effective. Again, the layout is always custom. This particular layout serves its client very well. He's gonna be transporting guests from a marina to an island, and those guests have the ability on bringing very large carts with them full of their belongings, towels and toys and all the other to spend the day at the beach. Now we built an extra large entry gate. He boards through the bow of the boat, so they'll be able to roll on their belongings in here, stage everything up in the middle. There's 2 additional gates on either side. This is standard for us to usually have 3 gates on board our boats, just in case you need to one day come up to a dock on the and tie up to the side of it. Now, simple boat, yet some important options. As you can see, we have the cushion package with the backrest. We have the overhead life jacket storage, and we also have a full hardtop. So this is a fiberglass hardtop. It's been painted blue on the inside to match the anti-skid floor, bench style seating. Another option is the gel audio sound system. We have 2 subwoofers on either side right here, positioned inside this dock box style seating. And we have 4 tower speakers, a really large one, mounted in each corner. Midship, per the client's request again, we have our helm. It's always mounted on an 8-inch low step, so you can clearly see above everybody while you're driving this boat. Inside the helm seat, you'll get your battery and electronics right here. Very easy to access and to service as well. At the stern of the boat, you'll find a little crew gate. This is only for the crew to access it here. Get up on top of the hardtop if you want to store any type of floats and inflatable. They usually get stored up there. This is a rail skirt that we call FiberTex Plus. You get to see a little bit through it, but it stops the water and allow a little bit of wind to go right through it. On either side, we have ladders. Those are important for your man overboard, but also if you want to stop and allow your clients to go for a swim, you need to have one of those on board. A few little things we'll also like to add is we have our fuel tanks right here on either side of the boat. They're 50 gallon each. Gives you plenty of range to operate all day. We have some lights under mounted. This is great for nighttime driving. Those lights, they'll shift to different colors, including red. As well, this layout feels very open. It's also due to the fact that the client opted out of a bathroom on board, so there's no head, as well as a bar. As you've seen in a lot of my other videos, clients usually go for a bar, a U-shape or L-shape, as well as a bathroom. If you remove all this, well, clearly you got a really large open space, and what this boat gives you right here, which is really good for transport if you don't need to have this on board. You still have storage inside some of the little dock boxes underneath the seats. And that's pretty much it for this boat. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are built to order. That means that you'll have to contact us to order a boat. We don't have anything sitting on the lot. Contact me and we'll talk about pricing, your layout, and what exactly you're trying to achieve, and we'll price you accordingly. Thank you so much. And again, if you have any questions, my information is in the description. Thank you.